Struggling with slow, bulky water filters? Frizzlife PD1200 RO System to the rescue. Do you dread waiting ages for your water filter to fill a glass? Are you tired of bulky systems taking up precious undersink space? Enter the Frizzlife PD1200 RO System, the ultimate solution for fast, pure water. With a blazing 1200 GPD flow rate, 11-stage filtration, and a compact tankless design, it removes 99.99% of contaminants like chlorine, lead, and PFAS. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the quest for the perfect water filtration system and see how Frizzlife stacks up. The hunt for a reliable water filter can feel endless. Many systems promise purity but are slow, bulky, or hard to install. Frizzlife's PD1200 changes the game with its 11-stage filtration, removing over 1,000 contaminants, and a 3-to-1 pure-to-drain ratio that saves water. The tankless design frees up undersink space, while the smart faucet tracks water quality in real time. But does it perform as well as it promises? Let's explore its real-world capabilities. Frizzlife's PD1200 is a filtration powerhouse. Its 11-stage system eliminates harmful contaminants, while the 1200 GPD flow rate fills a cup in just 5 seconds. The tankless design prevents secondary contamination and saves space, and the smart faucet monitors water quality with TDS readings. Plus, the DIY installation is a breeze, taking just 30 minutes. It's not just a filter, it's a game changer for clean, fast, and efficient water. Customers love the Frizzlife PD1200 for its ease of installation, fast water flow, and clean taste. The compact design and smart faucet make it a favorite for busy households, while the 11-stage filtration ensures safety. Compared to other systems, Frizzlife stands out for its efficiency, durability, and affordability. Whether you're cooking, drinking, or filling a pot, this system delivers. It's not just a product, it's a solution for anyone tired of water worries. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The Frizzlife PD1200 RO System is your ticket to clean, fast, and efficient water. With its advanced filtration, tankless design, and smart faucet, it's a must-have for any home. Don't let slow, bulky filters hold you back. Grab your Frizzlife today and taste the difference. It's time to upgrade your water game and enjoy pure, safe water every day.